Chat 507 Johnny back at it again with another video. We're here with Compas Josh. We finna go to the studio to record his second song, chat. I'll let y'all know when we're there. Oh yeah, my sisters are going too.
Hey.
E Banks and Joanna. Alright, chat, I'll let you know when we're there. This is for my YouTube chat. We on the way to the studio, chat. Johnny back again, bro. We just made it to the studio. We here
with E-Banks.
I'm in the back seat, sadly, but we here. We waiting for the guys, the producers, to, you feel me, hit us up. But I'll see y'all when we inside. Chat, bro. We at the studio now, chat. We at the studio. We here with no school.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna send you $10 because it was 40 for the strings.
We at the studio, chat. We out here recording Compás Josh's song. Chat, we at the studio now with Compa Trezo, chat. We with Mo. We with Trezo. Oh, we with Compa Josh. We's out here, chat. We lit. I'll let y'all know how this goes. Alright, chat, we recording this song now, chat.
When I'm playing, Tomas like come up with like kind of like a requinto.
Yeah, we're lit.
How long you want it? Okay. And then I'll kind of just like copy.
And then in the studio, we're live on Kick and Twitch too, chat. So you feel me? Tap in. Banks right here, y'all go follow her TikTok. I'm finna put it right here. You guys are gonna see it like right here. Alright, chat. Chat, we live on cable. We at the studio right now, chat. Oh yeah, we live. You feel me, chat? This is my YouTube intro, chat. You feel me, so. Subscribe to my YouTube too, chat. I appreciate everyone tapping in. Chat, we still at the studio. Chat, we's out here. Still with the same people. We got Mo. We got really out here having Mocho. We got Trey's over there. Check out their YouTube too, chat. Right there, chat. I'm finna put it down there. Link in bio, chat. Link in bio. Hell yeah, chat. Y'all check me out. Y'all check me out, chat. I'll let y'all know what we on. Chat, we leaving the studio now, though. Compa Trezo, Compa Ocho, Compa Alimo recording on the stream. Hey, though, we dipping, chat. I'll see y'all when we in Fairfield. Hell yeah. Chat, I forgot to record when I got back to Fairfield, but it's the next day after the studio. I got a haircut, as y'all can see. But I hope y'all have a great day, a blessed night, wherever you are in this world. And y'all make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Everyone, please. It would mean so much to me. And follow my Kick, my Twitch, please. And that's it. 507 Johnny out.